Welcome to the support video on how to access and complete a SELT survey request eForm. This video will show the workflow for requesting a SELT survey from the perspective of a course convener. You will have received an email notification with a link to the eForms landing page. Alternatively, you can access eForms from the services webpage. If you are not already signed into eForms via single sign-on, please log in with your UniID and Horus password. After logging in, you will see all the forms that are assigned to you. The eForm is divided into pages, visible as a progress bar on the left-hand side. You can progress through the pages by clicking on the next arrow here. You can save the form at any time here. If you leave and return later, you can pick up where you left off. The first page of the eForm contains an introduction as well as confirmation of the course details and various important notifications. If any of this information is incorrect, please do not proceed and contact the evaluations team via the contact details on screen. For the non-standard summer, autumn, winter and spring sessions, if you do not complete this form, no end-of-course evaluation will be generated and the form will expire by the cut-off date. For the standard semester 1 and 2 sessions, if you do not complete the form, an automatic end-of-course evaluation request will be submitted by the cut-off date. At the bottom of the page, please indicate your position most relevant to this form. If you have multiple roles, please ensure you choose an academic role. This form can only be completed by the course convener. If you are not the course convener for this course, please contact the evaluations team. After identifying your correct position, please click through to the next page. The next page gives you the course details, class details. For non-standard sessions, there are 3 additional date fields to complete. The grades release date is the date that you are required to provide final assessment grades to your college or school administration. Then select your preferred start and end dates for the course survey. Please note that the evaluations team will need up to 5 working days from submission of the eForm to deploy the survey to students. The survey must also close before the grades have been released. This section allows you to select whether you require a teaching survey. If you select No, only the end-of-course evaluation will be requested. If you select Yes, an additional page named Teaching Evaluation Request will display in the top left progress bar. On this page, you need to identify the teaching staff to be evaluated. Teaching staff means anyone who has been involved in teaching this course. You may identify some or all staff involved in teaching this course. Start typing either their first name, last name or UniID to search. Select the correct name from the list to continue. If you wish to be included in the survey, please enter your own details too. If you want to add another teacher, click on the plus button. To delete a row, highlight the row here and click on the minus button. If you are unsure of any part of this form, you can save it and seek advice from the evaluations team, returning to the form later. It should not be submitted before you are completely satisfied with the content, as you will not be able to change this after submission. On the last page of the form, you can review the survey request. Before you submit this form, if you want to go to a previous page, you can go back and forth between the pages by clicking on the back and next arrows. When you are satisfied that all information is correct, click on the Submit button. This completes the process of submitting a SELT survey request. Thank you for your interest in the SELT eForm. Further information is available on the PPM website. If you have any suggestions for further functionality, improvements, or would like to provide feedback regarding eForms or the support video, please visit the Service Improvement Group webpage where you can access the University Services Feedback Framework to submit a short feedback eForm.